this is a quick tutorial on how to set up a model for the DX series of Spektrum transmitters for Betaflight. So basically you're going to hit these two buttons. You're going to go down to Add New Model, and you're going to create a new model. I like to go to the model type and select a multi-rotor. Next I'm going to go down to the flight mode, and I hate this setting, so I'm going to turn this off. I don't really care about the flight modes. If you wanted to set up your flight modes, you can set that on a switch and you'll be able to tell when you switch. Next you're going to go to Channel Assign, and you're going to go to Next. On Next you're going to go to Gear. I usually set aux 1 as my arm switch, so that's what gear is, and you're going to hit a switch, and that'll change the switch assignment for that channel. You can also do that for your next switch. They label it aux 1, it's really aux 2 on Betaflight, and so on. So if you want to do, I have a DX8, so I can do up to 8 channels, 8 different switches. We'll do that switch. And for my last switch, I'll use the long one. Okay, so now we've set our channels on the model to the switches that we want for each setting. And the last thing you're going to do is you want to go to the main menu, go to your control setup, and on travel you're going to want to change all of these travels to 147. This will give you the full range of travel on Betaflight, which is important for arming and having full control of your aircraft. Otherwise you're limiting how far you're actually sending the travel. If you don't have these adjusted on all of them, your aircraft is not going to fly well. And you know, set that there in the middle, 147. And the last weird thing about Betaflight is, for Spektrum, it has yaw and roll reversed. So you're gonna want to go to roll and reverse that, and yaw and reverse that. And that's all you need to do to set it up for Betaflight. And then from there you just bind, and you should be good to go.